Mumbai, India's financial capital, is also the gateway to our blue economy and home to the Navy's Western Naval Command. Defending it is vital. Doing just that is the Sagar Prahari bulb. 13 meters long and powered by twin 800 horsepower diesels. Their fast interceptor craft, or FICs, are the Navy's fastest vessels. A high power-to-weight ratio and 3 indigenous machine guns make the FICs a lethal combination of agility and firepower. Raised in 2011, the bulb retains its edge through meticulous planning and coordination, timely maintenance and repairs, as well as rigorous training and execution. Fitted with modern navigation and communication systems, they operate 24/7 in and around Mumbai harbour across the spectrum of coastal operations.
Angel, this is Guardian. We are standing by.
The real driving force behind the Sagar Prahari bulb is the spirit, passion and pride of its crew. For those on watch, the clock never stops.
Coxswain, target confirmed.
All positions engage.